We're going to now look at an example where we're asked to find the value of a constant c that makes f of x continuous everywhere. The first piece of our function and the second piece of our function are both polynomials, which means they are going to be continuous everywhere. If our function is going to be discontinuous, it is going to be discontinuous at x is equal to 3. Now, I think what we can do is find a value of c where it is not discontinuous. In order to do that, what we're going to have to do is we are going to have to set the first piece of the function equal to the second piece of the function and plug in x is equal to 3. Let's go ahead and let's do that. We have c times 3 cubed minus 6 is equal to 4 times 3 squared plus 2c times 3. Now we have to solve for c. Let's clean this up a little bit. On the left, we have 27c minus 6. And on the right, we have 3 squared, which is 9, times 4 is 36, plus 2 times 3 is 6, so we have a 6c. Let's move the c's to the left and the constants to the right. So we have 27c minus 6c on the left and 36 plus 6 on the right. 27 minus 6 is 21, so we have 21c is equal to 36 plus 6, which is 42, and that works out real nice. Dividing by 21, we see that c is equal to 2. So we can conclude that our function is going to be continuous even at x is equal to 3 if c is equal to 2.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.